Sisilong muna sa gitna ng daan, at habang may araw pa ako ay agkan, hanggang ang iyong silong ay kailangan ko na.
May makakasama tayong rising band made in Bacolod. And yung kanta nila nag-number 1 sa OPM Rising. Kasama din yung kanta nila sa OPM Says Chillax na playlist. And nag-number 3 yung kanta nila sa Spotify Philippines Viral 50. So, kilalanin na natin sila today. Let us all meet Kanya. Okay, John Mix. So, kasama na natin ngayon ang Kanya! Woo! Siyempre, batiin nyo naman ang ating Gen Mix. Ano magpakilala na rin kayo?
Hello, my name is Archie.
Hello, my name is LJ.
Hi, my name is Watson.
Hi, my name is Brian.
And I'm Rocky.
Yan. And they are Kanya.
Kanya.
Ako na ginawa ko na boy group niya. Kanya. Yun na yung kanilang official sign today. So, of course, thank you so much for taking the time today na makausap namin kayo at makilala pa kayo ng Gen Mix. So, ako, I'm very, very curious. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng Kanya? May meaning ba yung name nyo or napagtripan nyo lang?
Yes, actually before I answer, thank you so much po for
Yes, of
inviting
course.
Kanya. Sobrang
Yes,
excited
yes.
po kami when we
Thank you.
received the message. And to answer the question po, Kanya, actually first na name sana namin na ininame as a band is Sugarcane.
Oh!
Yeah, kasi the abundant product or ang pride ng Negros is
Sugarcane.
But
Oo.
we researched and meron
Meron
akong
na,
name
yes.
na Sugarcane, which is also a famous
OPM band. Yes,
in-
yes.
So we researched then with PRC in the band. We came up with the name Kanya.
Mhm.
It's a Spanish word meaning sugarcane.
Ay,
So,
okay.
same pa rin,
Yeah.
pero
Different.
language.
Yes. Akala ko ba Spanish ka, VJ
Yes,
Ozzy?
actually,
Sayang.
kakagaling ko lang ng Spain. That's why ako, pero I came here for you guys.
Yeah. Kasi, syempre, baka alam mo na, hindi mo lang sinasabi sa amin na alam mo na yun yung meaning ng name
Narinig ko
nila.
na nga kayo sa Spain eh.
Ganon.
Paano kayo nabuo as a group? Like,
Oo.
was it just like, barkada ba kayo sa school? Or paano kayo
Oo.
nagkakakilala?
Yeah, actually, magkakasama kami lahat sa church. We've been serving sa music team for quite a while. And then, kami ni LJ actually, like 2 years ago, nagbabalak na kami magbanda. Kaso we both have, actually lahat kami may mga day jobs kami.
Oh,
So
yeah.
parang nahihirapan kaming i-gather lahat. Until nung summer, nagkaroon ng opportunity na magkita-kita kami. And then sabi namin, jam tayo, ganun.
Wow.
And yun na, doon na nabuo yung bulong.
Mm,
Summer of this year.
Yes,
Wow,
just
so recent.
in May actually to be exact. In May lang.
Oo, sobrang productive ha. Na nagsabi lang nilang jamming tayo, tapos biglang nag-release ng una nilang song. It's nice. Pero, initially, alam ko, 4 lang kayo na members. So, kaya ba hindi nyo sinabing mag-white at neutrals kayo? Kay Kuya Rodney. Hindi nyo man lang siya, pinag-block nyo naman. Oo, pinag-block nyo
Obvious
naman
na,
si Kuya
obvious.
Rodney. So, alam na agad. So, si Kuya Rodney, he's a new addition to the band. So, kailan lang ikaw nag-add, Kuya Rodney?
Last August.
Last August lang. So, parang paano kanila nahakot sa kanya?
Actually, nag-ano na sila sa akin. Nag-invite na advance a few
Mm.
months ago. Pero maraming mga commitments.
Wow! He's a busy guy.
Isa siya sa siya yung main na guitar doctor dito sa Negros.
Guitar
Pala,
doctor.
guitar doctor.
Yes,
It's my
yes.
first time hearing that.
Oo, that's nice. At yun talaga yung una niyang ginagawa bago siya sumali sa kanya.
But syempre, now naman we want to talk about your music.
Oo.
But if you could describe your style in one word, what could it be?
Mm-mm.
One at a
Sige, isang
time.
word
Oo,
kayo,
yeah,
yes.
Negros.
Kulod nun.
Bakulod nun.
Sa akin naman is bittersweet.
Bittersweet.
Sa akin, heartfelt.
Heartfelt.
Wow.
Bisayang Ilonggo.
Bisayang Ilonggo. Okay. Nakakatuwa kasi na-mention nga Bacolod no, Negro. So, very proud talaga kayo sa culture nyo as a
Yes,
Negrense.
yes.
Tama, di ba? So, kayo, parang how important is it for you guys na maipakita yung culture ng Negrense sa kanta ninyo?
If you've noticed, yung mga songs namin, it's really more about day-to-day life na nangyayari sa buhay, yung tao, ganun. And it depicts yung pagkatapos ng harvest season dito na yung mga tao nagsasalo-salo or they gather together
Celebrate.
and they just, sing along, making stories, writing stories, ganun. So we wanted to capture that in today's society na kahit ganito naka-advance ngayon yung technology, etc., gusto pa rin namin i-push yung culture na local.
We want to jump into how Genmix would want to know how you write your songs, how you come about, like the jamming session ba kayo before writing. So what's like the creative process of writing each song?
Well, the creative process is we really emphasize on the collaboration. Meron din namang songs na nag-start, like for example, yung Bulong, si Watson yung nag-umpisa ng idea, yung Silong ako, then the third song, yun nga, Brian. Pero when it comes sa songwriting process, lahat kami involved. Kasi yun, we really believe in collaboration. Kasi minsan pag ikaw lang mag-isa, ang daming creative block, ang daming reason na parang ayoko to. Pero pag merong involvement kasi as a band, mas na, yun, siguro kaya napapabilis yung process din namin for writing song.
I'm curious, has there ever been a time na parang hindi kayo nagka-agreement sa parang song choice or like direction na parang ayoko ng ganyan na sound? Or like,
Yeah, actually meron din. But yun, since I'm the band leader, I get to make the final call pa rin. Although I try to weigh in naman lahat ng inputs nila.
Okay.
You're right.
Ayun, just to add lang siguro, yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko lang din sa band namin is when we disagree, hindi po kami like nagkaka or
Oo, hindi sila nagbabato ng gitara.
hindi.
Walang ganun.
Which is really
Walang
wholesome lang
nabubutas
din po kasi as Kim Archie mentioned, collaboration is really important din. Siguro mas mabilis kami nakabuo ng song kasi we gave idea kung
Yep.
nag-suggest and we're open talaga. So, siguro, yun din yung isa sa mga gusto ko.
Tsaka
When
syempre yung kailangan din talaga yun nga sabi mo, with collaboration, you guys have to be really connected
Yes.
with each other. So now, I want to ask you guys, so other than, sa banda, ano naman yung ginagawa niyong hobby together? Ano yung ginagawa niyo for fun as a band para mas lalo pa kayong connected with each other?
Food trip!
Food trip! Kaya sila natatawa. At balita namin na isa sa mga paborito niyong pagkain ay empanada! Kaya
Empanada.
naman, sobrang swerte nila kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Emma Lacson's Delicacies at isa sa mga delicacy nila dito ay empanada. Kaya naman, i-invite namin ang kanya for a challenge. Ano kaya ito? Let's see. Kasama pa rin natin ang kanya. Ayan. Pero divided into 2 groups na sila. Kasama na si VJ Ox.
Kanya na din po siya.
Kanya na din siya.
Huwag niyo mapapakantahin, baka mawalan kayo ng sarili.
Grabe. Pero yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating challenge and meron tayong 2 groups. Ito ang Team Bulong at ang ating Team Silong. Okay, so kailangan lang nilang gumawa ng tig-anim na empanada at pabilisan ito. Pero
At
syempre,
pagandahan.
oo, yun lang. Hindi lang yung criteria for judging natin ay pabilisan. Kailangan maganda rin kasing perfect nitong dinemonstrate sa atin. So, yun talaga yung challenge dito. Kailangan mabilis na at maganda pa. And syempre, may taste test din tayo later on. Doon na talaga magkakaalaman. So, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Okay,
Let's go!
Nandito na yung ingredients natin sa harap. So, simulan na natin in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan na.
So,
Okay,
ang tinuro po sa amin ni Tita Nora na dapat push and push para di umapaw at matapon.
Push and push. At saka sakto nakakalculate naman na yung ilalagay nila. Actually, fun fact, ang ginagawa nila ngayon ay chicken empanada which is 75 pesos each. And itong chicken empanada na to, what's unique about this is native na manok yung gamit. Which is na-amaze ako.
Guys, it's harder than it looks.
Oo.
Push.
Buti nga na dito lang ako nakatayo kasi kanina pa nga lang tinitingnan ko yung demonstration, di ko na-carry eh.
Ganyan po.
May coach.
Set.
Nandito
okay lang po,
yung
di siya
mismo
mapupuno.
mentor. Medyo lugi tong Team Silong kasi tinutulungan yung Team Bulong ng master herself. Hindi, pero in fairness ha, mabilis sila. Kayo, tinutulungan na kayo. Meron na to, 1, 2, 3, 4 empanadas, 4 empanadas na agad dito. Dito, 2 pa lang. Nako. Team Bulong.
Naman.
And of course, with social media din, di ba? Parang napadali din na maipaabot nyo yung
Yes.
meaning, yung song nyo sa ibang tao. And which brought you guys to, OPM Rising. Di ba? Spotify Philippines Viral 50. Oh. So parang ako, I'm curious about this one. So, syempre with social media and everything ngayon, did you guys expect na yung song nyo, which is Silong, would go to greater heights like that?
Siguro po hindi. When we released the song, sobrang konti lang talaga yung streams. And we did not expect because we only planned it na we will give it a chance. Let's give it like 2 years, 5 years. If it's not gonna be happening or hindi siya mangyayari sa band, let's try another year. But we're overwhelmed kasi sobrang dami ng...
Sobrang bilis.
Yes, sobrang bilis. Maraming naka-appreciate, marami kaming stories na dinig din how the song resonate, paano na nakatulong sa kanila yung Silong, which is we never expected, and we are very happy din kasi in a way we help people who listens to our music, through our music. It healed them, give them sign, it give them a chance na a chance for themselves na ganun. So, we are really happy.
So like ano ba to? Parang minarket nyo talaga siya sa social media or talagang pagka-release nyo, bahala na si God?
Well, actually kami ni Brian yung nag-handle din ng social media. Kasi we've been in the digital marketing before this.
Oh, nice. Mga corpo.
So basically, nung na-release siya nung August 22, 1 week, like sabi ni Brian, walang traction. Mag-TikTok tayo. So we just posted every day the song, etc. And then yun, slowly nag-pick up naman siya. And then, yun, the rest is history na.
Yes, pero pina-perfect pa rin ni Miss Nora yung shape kasi parang ako din, nababother din
Old
ako.
revisions pa, hindi pa defended ang pieces nila.
Oo, hindi pa final, kumbaga. We have here with us continuing the legacy of Emma Lacson's delicacies, the one and only, the daughter herself, Miss Nora Lacson. Hello po!
Hello po.
Good afternoon po. Kamusta naman po kayo?
Okay lang.
Dami pong dumadayo. Actually, kanina pa po sa baba, maraming pumupunta talaga dito.
Kasi sa Mascara Festival.
Yes. Oo, saktong-sakto
So
rin
every
po.
year po, parang ito yung pinaka-peak season niyo po.
No, December.
December. Of
Oh.
course, like for the handa. But of course, we want to ask, how did the legacy of Emma Lacson's delicacies come to be?
My great-grand-aunt started this, but it's not yet a business. They just started cooking the empanada, making empanada just for parties, for gatherings, but she didn't make it into a business.
Hala! Wow! Anim na! Oh, naku! Guys! Hello! Anim agad sa Team Silong. And,
Malayo kasi ng ingredients sa amin, no?
ala, yun pa yung sinisi. Hoy, to be fair sa Team Silong ha, anim agad na gawa nila at sa dulo lang sila tinulungan. Mayabang yung mayabang. When did it start na they started selling these empanadas outside of the family, of course?
Her friends and relatives requested her to sell because every time there's a gathering, they would ask her to make.
We are here in your kitchen now. Is this the kitchen where it all started po?
Yes.
Ah, so ever since po talaga dito na nagsimula na magluto, magbenta dito po sa bahay natin?
But it's not like this now. Just renovated. Nasira na yung yung old
open nyo.
So Genmix, just for reference, dalawang ganito pa lang yan before.
Yes.
And now look at how big this place has become. So it's really a testament of the success of their
Yes, of
empanadas.
course. And maraming bumabalik-balik pa
Yes.
dito para matikman at dumadayo pa. So we wanted to ask, what's different or like what's special with Emma Lacson's empanada that you cannot find in other empanadas here?
the crispiness of the pastry, and of course the laman. It's very tasty.
Is it still the original recipe from when it passed down onto you? Or medyo, ano na pa?
We adjusted some of the pastry, but the laman is still the same.
Anim yung nagawa agad nila, pero sa huli lang sila tinulungan. Eto, sa una pa tinulungan, hindi pa rin tapos.
Tapos, finish!
Ang cute mo kang dumpling yung kay VJ Ozzy. Mukha na. Natawanan kayo ni Ma'am Nora. Ang usapan, empanada. Bakit parang isi-steam na yan pagkatapos? Uy, may isa pa. Pero magkakaiba rin sila ng shapes. Ito mukhang croissant. Ito mukhang shell. O, di pabilisan lang ang labanan.
Go, Bri!
Go, Bri!
Go, Bri!
Clutch, clutch!
Save the best for last kasi.
Ano to? Dinurog. Ang hirap na paganda.
Sabi ni Ma'am Nora, ang hirap na paganda. Nasa stress.
Ang layo, di ba?
natin side by side. Miss Nora, BJ Ozzy.
Yung video kasi parang shell na hindi pa bumubukas. Pakita din naman natin yung sa mga kapila.
Ay, of course.
Ay, yung best nyo, yung best nyo.
Parang wala.
Ayan. Diba? Crispy kaya ito paglabas. Yan ang iniisip ko. Kasi ito, kita mo kung alin yung parts na crispy eh. O, dito naman tayo sa Team Silong. Alin ang inyong best work? Pakita nyo naman sa Genmix. Ito, okay, lumalaban to. Lumalaban to. Ito, magkamukha. Sige. Okay, dahil tapos na, pwede na nitong i-fry. Okay, dahil dyan, pwede nyo nang ilagay para i-fry na nila Ma'am Nora. Your nephews and nieces are planning to continue this family business po. Would you be open na mag-open din po sila ng ganito?
We have a store there in Ayala Capital Central, but only it's a kiosk. It's a small one in the Fiesta Market.
So, meron po kayong Facebook page.
Meron sa Emma Lacson's Delicacies.
Thank you so much. Then I know very busy po kayo today kasi every day 300 orders ang pine-prepare nila.
Exactly.
So,
Habang nag-interview nga, nag-deliver pa siya ng order.
Nag-interview, nag-deliver pa ng order kasi marami pumapasok. So, thank you so much po, Ma'am Nora Lacson, for your time. And
It
of
was
course,
such
for
an honor to meet
yes,
you
and
get
for
to know
welcoming
you.
us here
Yes.
today. Thank you po. Pero syempre, ang criteria for judging lang natin ay kung sino ang pinakamabilis at maganda pa rin ang kinalabasan. And I would like to say congratulations to our winner, Team Silong! Alam na nilang sila agad eh. Wala pang nangyayari. Pumapalakpak na agad sila. Okay, so syempre habang hinihintay natin na maprito ang ating empanada, magkikwentuhan muna kami.
Okay, Genmix, so while waiting for the empanadas and the chickens to cook, tayo ay makipagchikahan about their new song, Silong. And you guys mentioned that your momentum ever since you started uploading on TikTok, your momentum has been rising and has been steadily going up. But, you know, can we expect new music upcoming for you guys?
Yes, yes.
Pero nagdadalaisip sila. Oo, kasi balita ko, they have a single that they just released now. Okay, kwento nyo naman sa ating Genmix.
So, our new single po na na-release namin is about yearning. So, lahat ng mga yearners dyan, baka ito na yung anthem nyo. So, the title of the song po is Isasayaw Pa Rin.
Sasayaw pa rin. Title pa lang.
Napapasayaw ka na.
Grabe naman
Napapasayaw ka.
Yearning nga eh. Yun yung ano. Anong naging inspiration nitong song na to?
Go, Bri!
Ay! Huli!
The song po is about
Hindi
mo
magiging kayo.
Hindi magiging kayo or hindi mo siya makukuha. You still want to grab the chance. And even though na hindi siya imabalik, you still love that person. You're still gonna do everything para lang mapasaya ka kahit walang kapalit.
Okay, so kung nanonood ka man, ayan si Kuya Brian. May sinulat silang kanta. Alam mo agad, siya nakapag-explain eh. Okay, so talagang para sa mga yearners out there na ngayon narinig nyo na yung meaning ng song. So,
May madadagdag na kayo sa playlist.
Anthem natin to, guys.
Anthem natin to. Damay-damay tayo lahat dito. So, syempre ngayon, marami na kayong na-release na kanta. Can we expect a music video from any of your songs soon?
Well, yung Silong, meron na kaming music video. It's uploaded already on YouTube and I think on Spotify as well.
Oh.
Yung Isasayaw Pa Rin, we're actually on the process of working on it and we'll be releasing it very soon then.
Siyempre, we wanna ask you, and siyempre baka nanonood siya, do you have any like dream collabs in the future that artists, bands you wanna work with?
Yes.
Yes,
Sobra
yes.
naman talaga.
Baka mapanood nila to. Sige,
Oo
sabihin na
nga.
natin, manifest na natin sa
Consider
universe.
this your invitation.
Oo.
Well po, sa TikTok account namin, actually maraming nagsasabi na yung vibes po ng songs or yung silong mismo is like Cup of Joe. So we really wanted to baka kahit frontak lang. Pwede mo kahit frontak lang. Hello po.
Sige, okay, Cup of Joe. Okay, anything else? How about the others? Kayo, kay Rodney.
Yung Sunkissed Lola.
Sunkissed Lola. Okay, nice. Nice din.
Sa akin, baka Lola Amor.
Lola Amor. Okay.
Sa akin, yun, binanggit na nila lahat.
All of the above.
Pwede international. Pwede
International.
daw.
Malay nyo ma-manifest natin si Shakira.
John Mayer.
John Mayer daw.
John Mayer, oh.
Kami ni LJ, John Mayer.
John Mayer, oh.
Happy birthday pala.
Kasi makita niya to, di ba? John Mayer. This is
Hi.
Kanya. Wow. Sige, manifest natin yan. At least
Yay.
alam na namin yung mga dream collabs nyo. At dahil nga, nag-release kayo ng bago nyong kanta na Isa Sayaw Pa Rin, plus nag-number 3 pa nga sa Spotify Philippines Viral 50 yung Silong. Pwede bang makarinig kami ng sample sa parehong kanta?
Yes, sure po.
Ay.
Game.
Let's go.
Kailan mo malalaman kung may hangganan kung ang silong mo ay di na maramdaman? Paulit-ulit sinisigaw sa ulan, mga pangako mo di ko na babalikan. Kailan ko malalaman kung may hangganan kung ang silong mo ay di na maramdaman? Paulit-ulit sinisigaw sa ulan, mga pangako mong di ko na babalikan. Sisilong muna sa gitna ng daan at sasayaw sa mga patak ng ulan. At habang may araw pa ako ay akan, hanggang ang iyong silong ay kailangan ko nang bitawan. Handa ko nang bitawan. Handa ko nang bitawan. Handa ko nang bitawan. Handa ko nang bitawan. Tingin ko sa buwan ay iyong labi. Ako ay iyong nahuman. Sasing mga tala sa akin. Ako'y nakatitig lang, malabong mapagbigyan. Espasyo sa puso mo na kailanman hindi ako ang siyang laman. Ako'y dinuduyan ng mapaglarong kalangan. Imahe sa puso ko na kailanman ikaw lang ang siyang laman.
And there you have it, Gen Mix. Napakinggan nyo na ang live version ng Silong at Isa Sayaw Pa Rin. Woo! By Kanya right here. At ngayon naman, kailangan natin i-celebrate ang fruits of your labor. So ngayon, prito na ang ating empanada! Woo! Siyempre, pinaghirapan nyo to. Titikman natin ang ginawa nyong empanada. So, empanada, pasok! Tingnan nyo na lang kung alin dyan yung
Ito
sa tingin yung ginawa nyo.
Ito yung sa atin.
Ah, okay.
Ano yung sa akin?
So, yung inyo ay yung hindi nakuhang part. Siyempre, pinag-sample natin yung kanya, tinanong natin ng mga tanong. So, syempre, at the end, ito yung reward nila. So, let's take.
Namit.
Kanamit gid.
Namit
Namit
gid.
kaayo.
Tayo?
Kung ano na lang wala.
Sarap.
Uy, kanamit gid. Yung texture nga. Crunchy siya sa labas, soft siya sa loob.
Sarap to pag may hot sauce.
Masarap daw pag may hot sauce. So, na-try nyo na siya with hot sauce.
Everything we eat may hot sauce.
Kinakain nila to with hot sauce. Sige, yan ang ating next time. So, kamusta naman ang whole experience nyo? Kayo mismo ang gumawa ng empanadang to.
Masarap. Namit.
Halata namang nag-enjoy ang kanya. At mas nag-enjoy si VJ Ozzy. Hindi na niya tayo kinausap.
Masarap eh. Super sarap.
Super
10
sarap.
out of 10.
Sarap. Once again, thank you so much,
Thank
Kanya,
you.
for being here!
Yay!
Siyempre, invite nyo rin ang ating Gen Mix sa inyong mga future ganapes at to stream your song.
We would like to thank, first of all, Mix for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. And to all our fans.
Yes! Kanya
To all
Natics!
our Kanyations, thank you so much, guys, for supporting us in streaming our songs. We have a lot to offer. Marami pa po kami songs. So stay tuned. You can stream our songs on all digital streaming platforms. And I hope you keep or continue to support us. Mahal namin kayo. Palangga pa mo naman tanan.
Wow! Okay, may bago na ng word. Yeah. Thank you so much once again, Kanya. I-enjoy nyo yung empanada kasi deserve nyo yan. And once again, I am VJ Ella.
And I'm VJ Ozzy.
And this is our day 1 in Bacolod. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! And of course, bibigyan natin ng gift ang Kanya from Nick!